Your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, not nearly as cool tonight. We're not going to have frost. We're not even going to drop into the 30s. We're looking at 40s for lows, 46 early tomorrow morning. Warm up very nicely tomorrow. Nice south-southeast wind blowing, 76 degrees for your high. Some increasing clouds. Again, that wind cranks up a little bit during the afternoon, but look at that. 74 Kokomo and Rushville, 75 at Flora, 76 Delphi to Chalmers. We'll get up into the upper 70s from Attica over to Oxford. Now Saturday is another warm day. There may very well be an isolated shower or two in the morning with quite a bit of cloudiness. Then it's just a partly cloudy day. Nice southeast wind, nice and mild with 50s in the morning and then highs in the 70s in the afternoon with winds gusting 25 to 35, 74 to 77 should do it. Mid 70s Lafayette and Monticello, upper 70s once again at Fowler and Kentland, and we'll get into the mid 70s over here at Flora and Burlington. This is tomorrow afternoon. You can see some of the clouds increasing from the west and the northwest. But if we're going to get any sort of rainfall, it would be very isolated come Saturday morning. Most of it's going to stay generally west of our area. Just a shower or two may sneak in. What we're looking more towards is what will happen Sunday morning, because Saturday's fine. It's Sunday morning we've got to look at because the warm front will be about right here. So it's nice and warm here. You can see the winds coming up out of the south. And then north of the warm front, the winds are more east and southeast. And there will be a little cluster, a little complex of storms up here in northwest Illinois that will move our way. This is 8 o'clock Sunday morning. This should pass through the area during the morning hours and be out of here towards midday. This is 9:30 in the morning. Right there it is. Then it exits. You can see it kind of riding up and around. Again, the warm front's kind of draped like this. And this is the warmth building northward, so it's kind of riding that gradient southeastward. The afternoon looks fine. The sun comes out. It's just breezy to windy, warm, and getting a little bit humid as well. We're fine into Sunday evening, but I do think like late Sunday night, Monday morning, some of these storms right here may clip the area. And then we watch for new development to take place in Illinois getting towards Monday, and these storms should come through Monday afternoon and into Monday evening. And any one of those rounds of storms may have some severe weather risk, like marginal to slight risk is kind of how it looks. A 1 or 2 out of 5 on the scale. This is looking into Sunday morning. You see the gray color. That's kind of marginal, maybe slight risk, and it's kind of the same thing into Monday as well. And then the warmth builds. All this warmth to the west will build eastward, and we're looking at multiple days above normal for a change rather than below normal. So there's Sunday, some morning storms, then 81 and dry. Some morning storms Monday, and then some storms late afternoon and evening, 82. Maybe a couple morning storms on Tuesday in the 70s, 80 on Thursday. Then we are well into the 80s a week from this weekend.